Hello guys, I'm back, Foxy Gaming here, and today I'm going to show you this glitch that just happened. I was trying to play GA online, play some missions, and this happened. I'm glitched that I'm not in online, I'm in single player mode, and I'm in online's house, my house, look, I could just shoot stuff. You could see my body, but I can still shoot stuff. Try shooting this. Break the telly. Let me try watching it now. Don't wanna. Just check. Boy, it's gone. And I can show you something. You can go out to the house. See? But if you go into that lift, it don't really does nothing. You just go in there and wait for ages. And then you could go in the house. It's kind of blocked, but you could go in it. I'll show you the downstairs. Because you go in there first. Smash some. Break the smell of planning room. All destroyed. You can see I can't get different guns. I've got no ammo in it. I only got a shotgun. I can hit stuff. Try whacking something. I brought the thingy, yeah, the glass. You can actually see me, it's only the gun what you can see. Can I go in the bath? Nope, don't even work. Can I try breaking? Nope. Don't know. I thought I would break then. Destroying this house. So that's the end of the video. I don't know what happened, so I'm getting a PS4 for Christmas, so I can make more videos then. So subscribe, leave likes, and see you later.